Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and in very good health. Stay home, stay safe. My today's topic is organizational behavior. But before starting that, I would like to tell you, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the latest update of my videos. So let's get started. Okay, so today's topic is organizational behavior. Before coming on the main topic, organizational behavior, we should know actually what does the organization means. We have seen in recent scenario that there is a most important in today's world is the organization. Every organization has developed with the same concept of their mind that they have to achieve something in the market or they have to target some of the audience for which they have set up the organization. There are two types of organization, the profit making and the non-profit making. So what does the organization means? Actually, organization means when a group of people work independently towards some purpose. Here the interaction of the people is totally well structured and well mannered. There is a coordinated task in the organization. According to Chester Beard, an organization is a system of coordinated or managed activity of forces between two or more persons in the organization. An organization is a social unit of people systematically structured to manage or meet some common goal. Organization is the open system. Here system means it receives input, it processes and gives output, which means that they affect or being affected by the environment. For example, organization, for example, government, for example, human body organization, and so on. Now, coming on the main part of the topic, that is the organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is a study of human behavior, attitude, and their behavior within the organization. Human behavior or organizational behavior is also the study and application of how employees behave in the organization, whether being pressurized or unpressurized. An organizational behavior is the study of impact that investigate how the individual, systems or the structure behave in the organization to share their knowledge for effectiveness of the organization. So after coming about all these information, we should know that why should we study organizational behavior? Is there any scope in that? Yes. In today's scenario, there is a competitive advantage of organization in real world. In studying the organizational behavior, we come to know actually how human resource work and manage in the organization. First main important thing for studying organizational behavior. Second is when we have to know about the predicting future of the employees. Thirdly, when we want to know about the fully utilization of the raw materials. These are the main reasons for which we have to study the organizational behavior. Now, organizational behavior also have some goals. There are 4 goals in organizational behavior. First goal is your describing behavior. Here we used to describe the employees for why they situate or why they behave different in different situations. This is the first and most important goal. Second is the understanding. Understanding goal means when we have to understand why employees behave different in different situations. Thirdly, predicting. Predicting goal, here we used to predict the future of the employees in the organization. Last goal is the controlling goal. Here we should control the behavior of the human in the organization through skill development or something else, etc. So now, in today's video, what I have just thought about, I just tell you the basic of the organization. What is organizational behavior? Why to study organizational behavior in today's scenario? And the goals of organizational behavior. I hope you all liked my video. For more latest updates of my videos, Don't forget to subscribe my channel so you can get the latest update of my videos when I will upload a new topic or bring a new topic for you all. So तब तक के लिए thank you so much guys.